Students, good morning. I am back with your grammar chapter 18, that is adverb part 2. Previously in chapter 17, we have learned three types of adverb: adverb of manner, adverb of degree, and interrogative adverb. Here we shall learn the other types of adverb. Adverb of place. Read these sentences. The train stopped here. We live there. My father has gone out. The rocket went up. Each of the adverbs in the above sentences shows where the action is done. Children, I shall repeat this sentence again. Each of the adverb in the above sentences shows where the action is done. Here, there, out, up. This is the place. Now, the adverb which shows where some action is done are called adverb of place. So, this is a perfect definition. Adverb of place answers the question where. Exercise 1. Here we shall underline the adverb of place. He has come back. So, back. The little lamb followed Mary everywhere. So, adverb of place is everywhere. Let us go out. So, here out. The servant has gone upstairs. Upstairs. The peon is standing outside. Outside. These are all the word which I am underlining are the adverbs of place. We sat inside. Here inside. Come in and sit down. Here two words are there, that is in and down. Stand there. There. The kite flies high in the sky. High. The owl comes out at night. Out. Bring your book here. Here. Look, there he is. There. I have been looking for you everywhere. Everywhere. Work hard or you will be kept in. In. Now here we have to write the three sentences which contain the adverb of place. He looked down. Second, my brother is in the garden. Third, keep the pencil somewhere. Here you can form your own three sentences with the word place, that is in, out, here, there, everywhere. Okay? Okay. Now adverb of time. Read these sentences. The holiday will begin tomorrow. Work all the harder today. I shall return soon. Rama phoned me yesterday. Do it now. Each of these adverb in the above sentence shows when the action is done. As, when will the holidays begin? Tomorrow. The adverb which shows when some action is done are called adverb of time. Adverb of time answer the question when. Okay, now we shall discuss the exercise. Underline the adverb of time in the following sentences. These are the words in first sentence which we have to underline. We shall now begin to work. Now is adverb of time. You must get up early. Here, early. I hurt my knee yesterday. Yesterday. Obey me instantly. Instantly. He is going to Chennai shortly. Shortly. I shall come afterwards. Afterwards. Lately he was become lazy. Lately. Once I heard the cuckoo sing. Once. I shall get a letter tomorrow. Tomorrow. Formerly we lived in Kolkata. Formerly. That day he arrived late. Late. Never speaks rudely to anyone. Never. Good boys never tell a lie. Never. My father comes here daily, but my brother seldom comes. Daily and seldom is the time. Sometime I think he will never get well. Here two words are there, sometimes and never. He has been there before and he will come here again. Before and again. Now let us form three sentences of our own containing the adverb of time. Okay. Raju will go to Delhi tomorrow. We reached early. Reena have heard this before. Now, here you can form your own sentences. A word containing now, early, yesterday, tomorrow, once, lately, shortly, afterwards, daily, never, seldom. Okay? Now, adverb of frequency. Read the sentence below. The merchant sometimes went out of town for his business. The word sometime tells us how often the merchant went out of town. The adverb of frequency is used to indicate how often a certain action is done or taken place. Ask the question how often after the verb to determine the adverb of frequency. Remember, adverb are words that tells us about verbs. Yeah. So, example: we seldom eats at the restaurants. He called me every day when I was away. Called me how often? Now let us discuss the exercise 5. Identify and write the types of adverb in the underlined words in the following sentences. One has been done for you. Sachin practiced batting regularly. Your first one is done to you. This is adverb of frequency. Regularly. The word regularly is a adverb of frequency. Gloria always wanted to be a teacher. Adverb of frequency. Always. The word always is the adverb of frequency. A little girl sipped her cold drink eagerly. Adverb of manner. Eagerly is adverb of manner. My cousin will meet me tomorrow. Tomorrow is adverb of time. When they will meet tomorrow. The wind blew fiercely. Adverb of manner. How did the wind blow? Furiously. There is water lodging everywhere. Adverb of place. It's where is the water lodging? Everywhere. So it's a everywhere is a place. Adverb of place. The pilot quickly boarded the airplane. Quickly is the adverb of manner. We had almost finished the work when the computer crashed. Adverb of degree. The word almost, it's the adverb of degree. Children, I request you to learn all three definitions in this chapter 18. Adverb part 2, we have learned adverb of place, adverb of time, and adverb of frequency. I request you to go through the lesson, learn all these three definitions, and try to do exercise on your own. We shall do this lesson. I shall give you the answers in our WhatsApp group. Thank you.